What's up, great people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you the most beautiful, clean and organized city in Kenya. Yes, Kisumu has all the three properties of a great city that is clean, beautiful and organized. What the county government of Kisumu is doing is highly commendable. The streets are well paved, cabro paved pedestrian walkways, beautiful pavements, streets are green with indigenous trees. It's now safe to say Kisumu is the best city in Kenya. Guys, like this video if you're enjoying the video. Let's get it to 100k views. Subscribe if you are new and let me know if you agree Kisumu is the cleanest city in East Africa in the comments below. Kisumu City used to be viewed as an unstable city politically to invest in, but everyone's eyes are beginning to open up that Kisumu is one of the most peaceful towns to invest and live in. Many people are currently rushing to invest in the city's booming real estate, especially Riat Hills, and an office space in the CBD like the new Kenton's Plaza. Now is the right time to invest in Kisumu before things get too expensive, especially in the hotel and tourism industry, because Lake Victoria attracts a lot of tourists to Kisumu City. So guys, I don't know about you, but I feel like this city has achieved a lot and has a lot coming for it. This is the best time to invest in Kisumu, and if you are willing and you are looking forward to invest in Kisumu, What's up, great people? I am coming to you live from the great city of Kisumu, and I have a citizen who was born in Kisumu and has lived all his life in Kisumu. I'm going to ask him some questions so that he can give me an opinion about what the governor has done for this city and what he would like the governor to still do for this city, because for now the city looks amazing and I think it's headed in the right direction. But it's good to hear from the local and hear his opinion and what he has to say about this city. So, your name is?
My name is Timothy Ayeko Ouko.
Timothy Ayeko Ouko. How long have you lived in this city?
It's nearly 50 years.
50 years?
50, yes.
So do you support the handshake?
I do.
You support the handshake? So, ukitembea na you see this kind of beautification of Kisumu. How do you feel walking just comfortably, you know? You don't have to fear walking by the road, getting hit by the car. As in, unafeel aje ukitembea? Unatembea tu vizuri, hakuna kusumbuliwa na magari, pikipiki, uko na njia yako kando.
Njia iko kando.
Na miti imepandwa, kuna kivuli nini, na inakaa vizuri hivi, unafeel aje?
You feel good because you are not disturbed. Pedestrians are far from the road.
Yeah. Yes. So guys, he shares the opinion like me, because look at this, man. You know, the trees are preserved, guys. The pedestrian walk is separated from the road, so you guys, you don't have to brush shoulders with cars and motorbikes. And this is amazing for Kisumu City, man. And I really hope all the other towns and cities can adopt this type of changes, you know. It's amazing how one town can be an example for the whole country, you know. And I was in Mombasa and they're also doing the same thing, and these are some of the changes I love about towns in Kenya, and I hope all towns will start to notice that this is the best way to do things. You see, you won't believe that this street is in Kisumu. If someone took a photo here, you will think that it's maybe from Europe, and it's not even complete. Once they put cabros even here in the middle, it will look amazing, and with the trees by the side in the middle. So this is what I've been talking about in my channel. This is the kind of development and beautification and cleanliness we want for our cities, and I am happy that this is happening in Kisumu City. Hello guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video about Kisumu. So now I want to tell you about this Kenyan woman who has been living and working in Germany for over 25 years. Recently she came back to invest in Kenya and she acquired this land where she is developing for purposes of building a resort and residential homes. She has so far constructed a road and landscaping works is in progress. The whole construction is almost completed and all plots for home construction has been purchased. That's how much lucrative this area is. Remember, it's a land on a hill overlooking Lake Victoria and the city. Currently, so everyone currently is scrambling for a piece of this land. So this land is located along Kisumu Busia Road. On your way past the Ciala Resort, there's on your left there's this petrol station called Lake Oil Petrol Station. Actually, so when you take that turn, there's a road that goes all the way to this property. Otherwise, there's an easier road, but it's still under construction. So this resort will be amazing because the views that people will get and the nature around it will be amazing, man. So the main point of this video is that she is looking for a developer they can partner with so that she